Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best induction cookware. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 induction cookware. Number 1. All-Clad D3 Tri-Ply 10-piece stainless steel cookware set. Looking to level up your kitchen game? The Allclad D3 3-ply stainless steel 10-piece cookware set might be your perfect upgrade. This premium set includes fry pans, saucepans, a saute pan, a casserole, and a large stock potty deal for everyday meals or hosting a dinner party. The real magic. It solves the common problem of uneven heat and poor temperature control, thanks to its 3-ply construction with an aluminum core that heats fast and evenly. The stainless steel interior has a starburst finish for natural stick resistance and won't react with acidic food, so your dishes tastes exactly how they should. Plus, it's induction-compatible oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and made in the USA, with sturdy warp-resistant build quality, pros, excellent heat control, long-lasting durability, and a sleek, professional look. Cons: it's pricey, and while dishwasher safe, hand washing is recommended. Also, note that the handles are made in China, something to consider. This set is perfect for home chefs and serious cooks who want restaurant-quality results at home. If you're ready to invest in cookware that lasts for decades, All-Clad D3 won't disappoint. Number 2. Tramontina 10-piece stainless steel cookware set. Looking for pro-grade cookware without the Allclad price tag? Meet the Tramontina Tri-Ply clad 10-piece stainless steel cookware set, a sleek, high-performance set made in Brazil that delivers serious value. This set features tri-ply construction and aluminum core sandwiched between layers of 18/10 stainless steel designed to eliminate hot spots and give you precise, even heat every time. Whether you're simmering sauces or searing steaks, you stay in full control. It works on all cooktops, including induction, and is oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, the mirror polished finish adds a touch of class, whether you're cooking or serving right at the table. Pros: it's NSF certified, dishwasher safe, and has solid, comfortable riveted handles. Cons: it's a bit heavy, and the polished surface can show smudges, but nothing a quick wipe won't fix. Perfect for home cooks, budding chefs, or anyone upgrading from basic cookware. Tramontina gives you premium performance without the premium. Number 3. GreenPan Nova 10-piece ceramic cookware set. Looking for stylish cookware that's actually healthy to cook with? The GreenPan Nova 10-piece ceramic cookware set, yes, from Oprah's Favorite Things 2024 might be your new kitchen essential. This bold, deep teal set isn't just pretty, it's built for clean, safe, everyday cooking. It features ceramic non-stick, enhanced with diamonds and completely free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so you can cook without worrying about toxic chemicals. It solves the problem of traditional non-stick coatings, breaking down and releasing harmful fumes. Plus, it's made with heavy-gauge aluminum for quick, even heat, and has a specially designed induction base, so it's good for any stovetop pros. Non-toxic, dishwasher safe, oven safe, and even the forged aluminum lids have a built-in utensil. Rest smart and practical. Cons: ceramic coatings wear faster than stainless steel, so avoid metal utensils. This set is perfect for health-conscious home cooks who want beautiful, easy-to-use cookware that performs and looks great on the stove or table. Number 4. Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet. Looking for a pan that does it all and lasts a lifetime? Meet the Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet, complete with a red silicone handle holder for safe, easy grip. This is America's cast iron classic, pre-seasoned and ready to go right out of the box. It solves a major problem in most kitchens: poor heat retention and uneven cooking. With Lodge, you get consistent, even heat across the surface, whether you're searing, sautéing, baking, or frying. Made in the USA, it's built for stove, oven, grill, and even campfire use. It features an assist handle for better control and comes with a heater-assistant silicone grip, so you don't burn your hand when it gets blazing hot. Pros: incredibly durable, naturally nonstick with use, and great for high-heat cooking. Cons: it's heavy, needs regular seasoning care, and isn't dishwasher safe. This skillet is perfect for campers, home cooks, and anyone who loves traditional, rugged cookware. If you want one pan that truly does it all, Lodge has you covered. Number 5, Lacroyette 7.25 quart. Signature enameled cast iron round Dutch oven. If you want one pot that can do it all and last for generations, check out the Lacroyette enameled cast iron Dutch oven, 7.25 QT. In saris, this isn't just any Dutch oven. It's individually crafted in France and trusted by home cooks and pro chefs alike. Made from premium enameled cast iron, it delivers unbeatable heat retention and even distribution, solving the problem of uneven cooking and dry results. Perfect for braising, roasting, baking, frying, and slow cooking. It locks in moisture and flavor for dishes that taste like they've been simmering all day even if they haven't. The vibrant porcelain enamel means no seasoning is needed. It resists sticking, and yes, it's dishwasher safe. Plus, that stunning cerise red looks beautiful from stove to table. Pros: timeless design, exceptional performance, and built to last decades. It's heavy and pricey, but it's a true investment piece. If you love cooking and want a pot that does it all and looks amazing while doing it, Lacroyette is worth every penny. Here's a quick recap of the 5 cookware sets we reviewed. Allclad D3 10-piece set. Premium 3-ply stainless steel with exceptional heat control. Made in the USA, ideal for serious home chefs. Tramontina Tri-Ply clad set. Great performance and durability at a more affordable price. NSF certified and induction-ready. GreenPan Nova ceramic set. PFAS free nonstick with stylish design and health-focused features. Oprah's 2024 pick. Creuset 7.25 QT. Dutch oven, iconic. Cast iron piece for slow cooking and braising. Beautiful heirloom quality cookware. Lodge 12 cast iron skillet, budget-friendly. Ultra-versatile skillet that works on any heat source and campfires. Best overall, Tramontina Tri-Ply clad set. It offers the best balance of performance, versatility, and price, making it the most practical choice for everyday cooks who want pro-level results without overspending. Check the description below for links to detailed information on each product. Don't forget to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.